Alright guys, time to go work on the E46. It's too hot.
So bad.
What's up guys? Back at the shop. I got my mirrors in the mail. They're a little scuffed, but doesn't matter too much. And some fuel line and stuff like that. So let me take it in quickly. I'm dying to put at least one of them on my car quick and see how they're gonna look. Oh boy. That's like a completely new look for me. I guess I'm used to seeing my car with mirrors in general. But now she has to get painted. Let's see how it looks from inside. There you go. Pretty cool. Finally, they go usually anywhere from $300 to $400. I got these for 150 bucks. So I'm super happy with them. I'm gonna quickly throw another one on. Alright, it's on. Now I'm the real racer. My camera's dying, but I put those two 90s over there going for my heater core. This one goes into here and the other one goes all the way around into this little guy. So then I'm gonna quick hook everything up and then actually right here. Alright, so looks like OEM. From here going into this aluminum thing that needs to be bolted yet. Everything's kind of loose because I don't have enough clamps, to be honest. But I put two 90s over there, rubber ones from firewall going up, and then from here aluminum piece going to here, and then aluminum piece needs to be bolted over here going across, going into this little thing from BMW, the one that opens a heater, you know, for heater in the car. Sneaks all the way down 90, another like 45ish going into this one. From here it's going down into aluminum thing all the way across into my reservoir, and then I used BMW one right here, fits perfectly, and then I used the CTSV one from here, fits perfectly. So everything's plumbed. All it needs to be is tightened up right now. And honestly guys, I used all stuff that was laying around the shop. All this was from CTSV parts car, and that little aluminum piece right there, actually it's tied into the sway bar, almost like OEM. So it's really nice. I'm super happy with it. I'm really glad that I bought parts car and have stuff around the shop laying so I can, you know, easily do all this. I plug this little guy for now. I don't think I'm gonna need it, and then that's basically it. My my coolant is ready. Next thing, I really need headers, and drive shaft. So I'm waiting for a rubber piece on the drive shaft to come in. This piece right here. This is E46 one, and it's a little too small. So I already cut the drive shaft off. I don't know if you can see, but it's I measured it, and all I'm waiting is to confirm my measurement. I'm waiting for a CTSV one to come in, one of those, and I'm gonna take drive shaft to a drive shaft and get it done like that. My power steering, I need the line. I need to extend this one going from here into here. So I need to get different hose. I think I can open this up and just put a hose on. I'm gonna do that quick right now. Right here, I took the hose off. Basically cut, I don't know where that piece went. Oh, right here. This was holding it, so just literally cut it off, and now I have nice fitting. All I need to do is just find the proper hose. I hope that you guys can see, but basically what you do, you make sure the little pin goes on the inside of the pipe, and you crimp it lightly. Don't go too crazy because you can punch through. And so what it does, it makes a nice beat all the way. So you gotta go all the way around. So that's what I'm gonna do now quick. I did beats on all of those aluminum pipes. They're gonna run like this. I still need to tie them up, but basically the whole cooling system is done. I need to shorten this hose a little bit because it hits my my fan and fan shroud. So this all will work from a BMW stuff, because you know ECU is talking to BMW, so it should work. If it doesn't, I'm gonna wire it through GM stuff, which I have wires right here. Fingers crossed it's gonna work. Right now I don't want to put any water in it just yet because I'm still looking for headers, and I don't know if I already mentioned, but my drive shaft is getting made. It should be here next week, so maybe we'll see the car rolling, driving, hopefully. Still looking for headers. CX Racing has them out of stock, unfortunately, so there's few options out there, but they're more expensive, and I don't really want to spend that much money on it, but we'll see. But anyway, I don't know if I already showed it to you, but looks like my AC will actually work. So luckily BMW AC is on the same side, so a lot of this stuff just needs to be extended, and I have a game plan for that. So all I need to do is just extend this tube to the smaller side over there, and then go from there into my firewall, and then my AC wire. But yeah, M3 mirrors. It's been a while, so I don't actually remember what I filmed already. My shifter. Anyway, super pumped. We'll be back to doing body work soon. This is my side skirt. But anyway, I'm gonna wrap it up. I just wanna upload this video. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Whose man's this is? Как тебя зовут? What's your name? This random dog just literally ran into here and sat on the seat.